Keep watching today's video for some fun finds from our antique hauls the past couple of months. Hey everyone, it's Lindsay and welcome to our DIY Dutch Colonial. We have been really busy over here working on Rob's office, which I'm in right now, so you can see the new wall color behind me. In the meantime, we have a haul video for you today. It'll be a lot of pretty gold and white things, as well as some fun miniature finds. In one of the antique stores, they had a build-your-own potpourri section, and they had these putka pots. Not sure how you pronounce that, but I thought they looked like the perfect dollhouse pumpkins. Next up is some dollhouse furniture. So first off are these 3 chairs and the coffee table, and those were $4, and then the little crystal set was $5. The kids love to make milkshakes, so we got the straw dispenser for $10. This Pier 1 gold picture frame was $1.50. My goal is to replace all of the trivets in our house with these beautiful brass ones. This one was $5. This dollhouse candle was $1. And these real-life, real-size candles were also $1 each. This small gold metal basket was $4. This little Christmas ornament was $4, and I thought it would make the perfect dollhouse for my dollhouse. And some more fun dollhouse finds. So first off is this wooden table with a wooden candlestick and candle, and that set was $4. And then this little teeny tiny metal sofa and chair was also $4, and I thought they would make cute doll furniture for my dollhouse. I found these adorable tiny metal toys, so little metal wooden stove, which I think is perfect for my dollhouse. It was $5. And then this little mini oil lamp was $4, and it is also a pencil sharpener. I also picked up this set of lace doilies, and they make great rugs for my dollhouse, and they were $1.50 for the set. This large gold basket was $6 at a thrift store, and the funny thing is I have a matching one in a galvanized metal, so I may spray paint that one to match so that they are both gold. Thanks so much for watching. Leave a comment down below with your favorite find from our haul today, and we'll catch you in the comments. And make sure you are subscribed, have your notifications turned on, and like this video so you don't miss out on future ones, especially Rob's office makeover, which is coming really, really soon. Bye.